up in the newscast tonight, Gordon House arson attack, high-level probe launched. Also this evening, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton hospitalized after he was hit off bicycle in St. Andrew. And woman outraged as a school bars unvaccinated son despite religious exemption.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Shamela Pullen. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after the break.